Okay, we're going to show you how to connect up the post rammer. So we have a return or a dump line here. So that goes on the big coupling there, and our pressure one here. You'll notice that we put the top link on the bottom hole. Not the top hole, we use the top hole for the mulcher. So our controls, just run through them. This one here raises our weight up and down, so it's got the big lever on it. This one here controls our top link. It's our top link in and out, so it levels our beam that way. This one is our side tilt, so that activates this ram round on this side, so that brings our beam that way. And the last lever is for our hinge, so we fold it down. So on that system we have a tap, so that we can now fold that down, but before we fold it down we have to disconnect our wire rope here. So we do that by removing that bolt. So we put it in the lock position when we're using it, any other time other than when we're folding it. It's in the lock position, which is there. To make this hydraulic circuit live, we have it currently plugged into the green auxiliary, and it corresponds with the green one round there. Now, because we have sudden shock loadings on the hydraulic system, we use this system here just to hold it in. It'll save you a lot of frustration of having to reset it constantly. Now remove the wire rope from the weight, so we can now fold our post mast over, so we're normally in the rock position, rocking. So if we were to take this off now, we take our top link off, disconnect our hydraulics, then we would put our stand in.